When you start working with APIs and SDKs, controlling your assets with AI tooling like MCPs or using the command line, you're going to need your Cloudinary credentials. Here's how to find them. First, log into the console and go to your dashboard. The first thing you'll see is your auto-generated cloud name, and you can change this to something more meaningful, and I'd recommend doing that now. The cloud name is used to identify the product environment where your assets are stored, and you'll see it in the URLs you use to deliver your assets. Next, click the Go to API Keys button. This is the control center for your keys. You'll see a key name, which is just a display name for your key and secret pair. You can always create more API key pairs, but for now, make note of this key and secret. Now you're ready to make server-side calls to do things like upload images, videos, or other files. You can manage tags and metadata and also use AI tools to access your account programmatically. Go ahead and try it now by visiting the SDK Quick Start page in the Cloudinary docs. You'll find front-end, back-end, and mobile SDKs to try. Start building today.